Hi everyone, my name's Marla and welcome to Fun Science Demos. Now, we all probably know what this is, a battery. And a battery makes electricity. And it makes electricity using a chemical reaction that's inside. But did you know that we can actually use a lemon to make electricity? That's what we're going to be talking about today. Now, we've said this on some of our past videos, but anything in our universe is either matter or energy. And if it's matter, it can be found on one of these elements on the periodic table. Now, every element on this table is made of these really small particles called atoms. And on the outside of the atoms, there's something called an electron. That's where we get the word electricity from. Now, electricity is moving electrons, and electrons need a path to move. Most times, that path is a metal. But today, we're going to see if we can change that pathway. We're going to see if we can use metals and a lemon to power a light. So the two metals that we're going to use for our lemon today are zinc nails, found right here on the periodic table, and copper nails, found right next to it. The other tool we need in our demonstration today is right here. This is called a voltmeter. Now, this doesn't make electricity, it measures electricity. Let's turn it on to see if it works. As you can see, we've got a reading of 0.00. I'm going to take both ends of my voltmeter and place it right on my copper nail and my zinc nail. And you can see there's no electricity. My reading is at 0.0. Well, we talked about a path earlier. Maybe I just need to connect both of these nails. Let me place my ends again on the copper and the zinc nail. Still, no electricity is generated. No electrons are moving, so my voltmeter reads at 0.0. Now, as we just saw, there was no electricity being generated, but let's use this lemon to see if we can get those electrons moving. I'm going to take my zinc nail and place it in, and then I'm going to take my copper nail and place it in right there. Now, let's test to see if any electrons are moving through this lemon now. I'll take one of the ends of my voltmeter and place it on the copper nail, and the other one on my zinc nail, and take a look at the reading, 0.85. That's almost close to 1 volt. Let's see if we can use our lemon battery to light this bulb right here. Now, there's a little bit of an issue. This light bulb needs 3 volts. Our lemon battery only gets up to 1 volt. Let's see if we can add some things to make this light up. Now, our lemon battery only gets up to about 1 volt. Let's see if we can add more lemon batteries to power this light. So remember, we're trying to light this light bulb that has a voltage of 3 volts. So we need 1 lemon battery per volt. But remember, our 1 lemon battery only got up to 0.85 volts. So we're going to add in a 4th lemon battery just to make sure this lights up. Now, remember, we're trying to generate electricity, and electricity are electrons moving on a pathway. So let's take a look at our pathway right here. We've got these alligator clips. I know they're red, but they've actually got this copper wire inside of them. This clip is hooked up to our copper nail right here, and that's connected to our zinc nail here. This copper nail is connected to our zinc nail here, and this copper nail is connected to our zinc one here. Now, remember, we're trying to see if we can generate enough electricity to power this light bulb over 3 volts. Let's see if we can do that. I'll place one end of my voltmeter on my copper nail right here, and the other one on my zinc nail. There we go, we're over 3 volts. Okay, so we're in the dark. We're here for our final test. I've got my pathway right here to make sure our electrons flow. And let me clip that on. And look at that. We've got light from our 4 lemon batteries. Isn't that so cool? In the beginning of the video, I mentioned that everything in our universe is either matter or energy. Now, electricity is a form of energy that literally powers our world. And today, we got to see how the electrons from electricity can power this light using our lemon battery. Now, if you want to learn more about electricity or energy or anything related to science, check out our YouTube channel, Fun Science Demos. Thanks for watching.